Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you Onchain Airdrop Testnet tutorial guide in this entire video. Okay, so if you are looking for getting solution about it, feel free to stay with me until the end. Okay, so never be freaked out, never be fucked up while you are watching this video. Okay, so you don't yet in this channel, check out description box. You will find everything about us. Okay, so here is a little bit link. Just go to here, this option. So if you do click on here, that will bring you the offer link where the onboard has for doing everything A to J. So you can do there. So first, you need to come into Telegram channel that has on description box. Check it out, and you will get everything about us. So walk through that link and come into here and check out the latest post about Onchain heroes that I did on Telegram. So imagine you are doing participate totally free, no money need in here. You are just doing a couple of tasks in online for getting paid. Okay, you are getting paid for doing this simple task. Imagine it how incredible it is. Okay, so let's say you click on this here, go to here and completing ongoing task. So I'm here, and here is you need to go definitely MetaMask wallet where you have in extension browser. Okay, so you're going to sign in, and here is MetaMask has, and your MetaMask would be definitely opened up while you click on that hover sign in MetaMask. Okay, so here is little bit password you need to put while you would create MetaMask. Back then time, you put that password in there, same password put on now on there. Okay, so connect anyway, that's it. And here is task would be pop up, connect to Discord in order to down the Discord task. So it will be opened up. A little bit time will be take because everything is testnet, and it is happy to doing the task. So therefore you need to wait in here couple of minutes. Okay, you need to be patient in order to done the exact task that have on there. Okay, so never be fuck up, never be freak out in here in order to task doing done. Okay, so here it is going to be opened up now. I'm hoping it will be connect. Okay, it's connecting now. You can join Onchain heroes, click on there. So I'm trying to join on there, but it is not. Okay, anyhow, so okay, so what has worked, try to click on those question mark section, because those are your genuine task, exact task for doing. So here is I'm entering the Discord for whatever they say to me to do. So I'm entering in this task. So I'm doing so in mobile desktop mode, and because inside of the this fucking browser Yandex browser I have Discord, therefore I'm did desktop mode in order to down the work. So now here we select the image that can fit inside the simple object. So this on would be, so select this on, never be fuck up, nobody care you. Okay, so do efficiently. So it is opening up. So it is opening up. Little bit time will take. Okay, never freak out about it. It's fucked up. Okay, if it is fucked up, click on this arrow button, so it will be opened up again. I'm hoping. Okay, so it's working. So this page will be pop up in front of you. Click on this verify, and here is do continue, but do continue, because do continue. Okay, do continue, open in browser. What the fuckish thing is opening up doesn't matter. Do continue. Here is camera. Click on the second one and one your favorite. Bam, done. So if I go to in here and if I type GM and if I paste it into here, if I click on my profile and here is uncharted. Now I can go to in this here and here is this task, join Onchain heroes. Click on there. So if you don't found this, click on in here. Here is Discord section. With the Discord section for joining Onchain heroes. So it is like this. So here we click this accept invite. Same way I would be done. It's fuck up couple of step has that is so boring to do, but do this anyway because everything worthwhile. It's slightly slightly obstacle, therefore purpose people don't come into here. They are away from here. Okay, select the image that can fit this fucking box. Okay, so this little bit object would be fit up on that box. So whatever requirement they say, fill that up, and here is this way should be pop up. What we need to do, wait couple of seconds in here. So it is doing problem. So if it does problem, fuck up couple of wallet in here. Okay, sorry, couple of account, do fuck up, log out couple of wallet and add my this on would be, so this on, click this login and it will be logged in now. So did you know there's a very small, this fuck up, nothing you need to read, just to join in here. Click this verify button. If it starts problem, click in here, verify, do continue. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, sorry, do continue, and here this number would be pop up 365495. Bam, so done. Now you can come back in here and do the rest of the, so here is connect Twitter in order to done this task. So connect Twitter and Twitter is going to be open up in here. So little bit time will take. I'm showing you A to J how do you do it. Okay, I'm trying to help you as much as I can do. So wait a couple of minutes in here. So it is going to be opened up. Click this authorize apps. Whatever that happened here. So it's now our wallet has done. Now doing the Twitter task efficiently. Do the task, refresh, something went wrong maybe, so follow, go in here, so follow the rest of the remain task. Now whatever account they're saying to do, follow, do, and yeah, that's simple as that. So I'm doing, follow me as well for doing it. So do the same. Okay, so therefore I love Yandex browser in mobile. Okay, because it is so well, it is so well, it is so much better than other fucking browser, other fucking cheaper browser. So Yandex is way better in mobile. So do the same, follow and work done more efficiently. So here is I'm doing a repost and our Twitter task has done. Now if I click on this, I am a human, and in order to enter the box, so here is please click on the things that can live underwater. So underwater it would be fish. So underwater
fish. Click this enter button and little bit time will take. So what has been done is taking a little bit time in here. So enter successfully. Okay, we did it successfully. Okay, so every task has been done as well. So feel free to join Telegram channel, check out description box.